lot of Utah hot tub companies say they have the largest inventory, but do they really? Can they show you their hot tub inventory?
This is our hot tub inventory. It is so massive that we actually had to leave our Springville store to come out here and store it. So we can veritably say we have the biggest hot tub inventory in Utah. And if this doesn't satisfy you, we have 20 hot tubs coming in every week, and we also have these spas, and swim spas. These spas, and these spas. And that doesn't even mention the hot tubs we have on our show floor in Springville, American Fork, and West Jordan. Now let's be clear, we don't want this many hot tubs. We want to move these hot tubs. So we are going to definitely have a model for you here, and they are priced to move. You just need to come and get your spa.
So as you can see, we definitely have the largest hot tub inventory in Utah. And with that brings you a whole lot of benefits. We have the best availability, we have the best pricing, we have the best quality of hot tubs. Go look up Sundance Spas and Jacuzzi hot tubs online and find out for yourself what they are. You can also come and talk to us because we've refurbished every hot tub in the industry. We know what's inside them, and we know what's inside these hot tubs. So come, take a break, and literally have all of your needs taken care of right here with us here at Take a Break Spas and Billiards.
This is our hot tub inventory list. It's so big and keeps going.